Hello and welcome to EduBridge IAS. Recently, there is a campaign going on in Lakshadweep, that is Save Lakshadweep campaign. In this video, we will discuss why this campaign is going on in Lakshadweep. Before we move forward, if you are preparing for UPSC and your optional is political science and international relations, then we are bringing you an optional course, and it will be taken up by Nitish sir. So with him, आपका ऑप्शनल कोर्स विल बी लाइक हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते. तो in this course we will provide comprehensive coverage of static and dynamic aspects. Live online classes will be conducted and you will also be getting recorded video lectures. Daily practice questions will be provided. Comprehensive coverage of previous year questions so that you can analyze the pattern and also what type of questions are being asked. You will be provided comprehensive notes. Answer writing and discussion will be also be taken. This duration of this course will be approximately 3.5 months. This can go up to 4 months based on the dynamic portion. The course is tentatively starting on 1st of June till 31st May. The price of this course has been reduced to 30,000 only. Even if any of your friend is also preparing for the UPSC and he has this optional, you can recommend this to him or her. If you have completed your polity, then you would know that UTs are administered by president through an administrator, and the administrator of Lakshadweep, Praful Khoda Patel, who is a former MLA from Gujarat, he is facing opposition from the people as well as politicians of Lakshadweep as well as from Kerala. This opposition has been on the draft of mainly 4 legislation. Remember, these are draft only. These are yet to be finalized. The first is Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation. Second is Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Regulation. Third is Lakshadweep Prevention of Antisocial Activities Regulation. This is also called Gundas Act. And the last is amendment to the Lakshadweep Panchayat Staff Rules. Before we move forward, let us have a look at the location of Lakshadweep. It is located on the western coast of India. This is Kerala, and it is approximately 100 to 200 nautical miles away from Kerala. And 1 nautical mile is equal to approximately 1.8 kilometer. This is Minicoy Island. This is 9-degree channel. This is Kavarati, the capital of Lakshadweep. These are Amindivi Islands. So remember all these names. A direct question can be asked in the UPSC. Match the following type के questions में इस टाइप के questions पूछे जा सकते हैं. So the first regulation जो है वो है Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation. If this comes into effect, it will provide for orderly and progressive development of the land in both urban and rural areas, and also provide various amenities that are required for Lakshadweep. It will also provide grant of permission to develop land. It also gives additional powers to in respect of acquisition and development of land for planning. इसके अंदर डेवलपमेंट की ये जो डेफिनेशन दी हुई है, दैट अलाउज फॉर बिल्डिंग, engineering, mining, quarrying and any other such operations, but these operations can be carried out in ecological rich and sensitive areas as well. The regulation also allows for a plan which will indicate a land or zone that can be identified for parks, industries, residential and commercial use, national highways and other roads. तो इसमें इशू क्या है? इशू यह है कि अंडर द सेक्शन 72 ऑफ दिस रेगुलेशन द प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी कैन इविक्ट एनीवन हु इज़ फाउंड टू ऑक्यूपाई दैट लैंड, मतलब किसी को भी उसकी ज़मीन से बेदखल किया जा सकता है. ऑल्सो people are alleging that the Mr. Patel has given orders to widen the roads and also घरों को उसमें तोड़ा जा रहा है. अब इसमें एलिगेशन क्या है, इशू क्या है? इशू ये है कि देर आर वेरी फ्यू व्हीकल्स एंड जो भी मेनली है दे आर ओनली 2 व्हीलर्स. ऐसे भी आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं कि दिस ऑल दिस इज बीइंग पुश्ड बाय द रियल एस्टेट लॉबी और गवर्नमेंट इनके दबाव में काम कर रही है. एंड द विड्थ ऑफ द आइलैंड्स इज ऑल्सो एन इशू बिकॉज इन सम ऑफ द आइलैंड्स द विड्थ इज़ ओनली 500 मीटर. तो इसमें लोग रहेंगे क्या, रोड क्या बनाएंगे? तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एन इशू. एक और प्रोविज़न किया गया है लक्षद्वीप प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ रेगुलेशन के थ्रू, जो कि लाया गया था जनवरी 2021 में. इसके अंदर अ पर्सन कैन बी डिटेन्ड विदाउट एनी पब्लिक डिस्क्लोजर फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ अप टू 1 year. The protester or campaigners are arguing that there is already very low crime rate in Lakshadweep and jails are also empty. So what is the sense of bringing such regulation? Next है amendment to the Lakshadweep पंचायत स्टाफ रूल. इसमें क्या प्रोविज़न किया गया है? इसमें प्रोविज़न किया गया है कि एनी पर्सन हु इज़ हैविंग मोर देन 2 चिल्ड्रंस कैन नॉट बी अ मेंबर ऑफ पंचायत. इसके साथ इशू क्या है? इसके साथ इशू ये है कि टोटल फर्टिलिटी रेट विच इज़ द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ वीमेन इन अ रिप्रोडक्टिव स्पान, जो कि ऑलरेडी 1.6 है लक्षद्वीप में. people are alleging that this law has been brought in to avoid any prominent leaders from taking part in the election. इसके बाद एक और इशू है लक्षद्वीप एनिमल प्रिजर्वेशन रेगुलेशन के से रिलेटेड. इट इंटेंड्स टू बैन स्लॉटर, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड सेलिंग और बाइंग ऑफ बीफ प्रोडक्ट्स. इसके साथ इशू क्या है? लोग बोल रहे हैं कि they do not get good vegetables and non-vegetarian food is part of their culture. Islanders are also saying that the Mr. Patel has directed to cut the non-vegetarian menu from midday meal as well. एक और विलेन जो आजकल सब जगह पे है वो है COVID-19. Previously, there was a standard operating procedure through which a passenger who is moving to Lakshadweep had to go through a quarantine for 14 days at a guest house run by UT administration in Kochi or 2 such hotels that were identified, and then they had to go through a RT-PCR test. Similar arrangements had been made in Kozhikode, Kerala and Mangaluru as well. After people arrived on the each island through people have to go through ships because there is only one airport which is located in Agati Island. They had to go through a test and 14-day quarantine. However, in December last year, this standard operating procedure was waived off, and the quarantine period in both India, mainland India and Lakshadweep were waived off. Now these new guidelines only required one person to carry a negative RT-PCR approved report. इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि the test positivity rate in island has many times crossed 60% now. There are some other issues as well in this campaign. First one is opening of liquor bar in Ireland, which is a non-alcoholic zone due to its Muslim population. It is also said that Mr. Patel has diverted all cargo to Mangalore from the Baipur port of Kerala, which is a minor port under the state government, which is ending a long-lasting trade relationship between the island and Kerala. It is also said that the government has also taken control over the local administrative powers of Zila Panchayat regarding education, healthcare, agriculture, animal husbandry, and fisheries. It is also said that has been no public consultation before the new reforms were brought in. So these were the reasons why there is a campaign going on. You can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this discussion, and also to attempt daily quiz that we conduct on our Telegram channel, and also to receive regular notifications of our other courses, and also various other initiatives that we take. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. Thank you, and thank you very much.